Hi everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soil conversationist business. So let's suppose I am running soil conversationist business and I am receiving queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by my customers or the lead. Now, whenever I am going to create this flow or the chatbot in my Pabbly Chatflow, and when a user is going to send me a message, automatically a reply will be sent to that user based on the query or the message they have sent to me. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your soil conservationist business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message like, here I am going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And I'm going to receive the reply, hello, welcome to Green Soil Help Desk. How can I assist you today? And then I have these three buttons. If I click on this conservation tips, I'm going to receive some reply. Here I have received the reply. Here are a few conservation tips. If I click on any of the buttons like the maze, it is going to send me the conservation tips for that particular crop. If I click on this based on region, I'm going to receive a question. So here I'm going to enter. I'm going to send this message and you will see that I'm going to receive the reply like, thanks for sharing your information, and I'm going to analyze it and I'm going to send this personalized soil conservation tips within the next hour. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. If I click on this book a consultation, I'm going to receive a message in which I have a consultation link. So if I open this, I will be able to book the consultation from over here. And if I click on this soil treatment guide, I am going to receive the next message as these are the soils. You can select any of the soil and then it is going to send me the message. So here it has sent me for this clay soil treatment guide, and if I click on this download the full guide, if I click on this yes, it is going to send me a document. So this is the document. If I download this, I have downloaded this. Let's open this document. So this is how it will appear. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for soil conservationist business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this WhatsApp connect option. And if you're using a manual token, you can click on this option and create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. As this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, it gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, the next is inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to custom conversation. We have the team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this contacts, which manage your leads, customer, and their details. We have this templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. Then we have this broadcast. So this sent bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistants, which use AI tool to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. We have this activity log, which track all the activities in your Pabbly Chatflow account, including the user actions and API request. Over here in the settings, we can see all the settings, which will help us configure the account integration and preferences. And then we have this option of get help, which access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Moving back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to open the flows. So let me open this flows. Now here flow builder has opened in front of me. Here you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. And now to create a new flow, I simply need to click on this add flow button. So this page has opened in front of me from where I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your soil conservationist business. Now we have to move towards understanding these options, messages and actions. Under these options, we have very important buttons which we will be using while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So let's quickly go through all of these buttons. The text button helps us send a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. If you want to send some media like the image, video, audio, or document, you can use this button. If you want to provide many options to the users, you can use this list in which you can add the section and then keep adding the items. If you want to send the catalog message, you can use this button. If you have single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this button. Now, template is a pre-designed message format which includes text, images, buttons, and links. Moving on towards this actions. So over here, the first one is of condition, which helps us branch the flow. We have this ask address, which helps us ask the address. We can ask the locations from the user. We can ask any question and then save that to contact custom field. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add tag, which will help us segment the user. We can use this API request, which will help us retrieve the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow, which will help us link the flow to another chatbot flow. Now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to start this WhatsApp chatbot or to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. I'm going to enter the keywords, the commonly used keywords like the hello, hey, and hi. Hey, press enter, hello, press enter, and hi, press enter. You can even use the keywords from your product and services, like I'm running a soil conservationist business. I can type some keywords like the type, soil, or something like that. And that particular keyword is going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. Now we have this option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify different patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases in this regex. I'm going to enter the regex like. So here I have entered the regex like this. And it is important to understand that we have to enter the regex in the very similar pattern. Now, as soon as I have entered the regex or the keywords, I have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot, and next I have to work on sending the messages. Now, you can use the keywords or the regex, or you can use both of them, or you can use either of them. For now, I'm going to use this regex, and now I'm going to send this message. To send the message, I have to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I have to select my content type. From this drop down, you can see all the content. I have already explained you all of these. I'm going to use this text plus button to send this message. So here I'm going to enter the message like. So here I have entered this message. Hello, welcome to Green Soil Help Desk. How can I assist you today? Please choose an option. And to provide the option, I'm going to use this button. If you want to provide many options, you can use this list as I've told you earlier. So over here in this message, you can see that this particular text was bold. So how I was able to bold this text? Let me open this message, and what I've done, I have simply put stars in the end and in the starting of the sentence. And with the help of this particular thing, I was able to bold the text. Now, when I'm going to send the message, this particular text will be bold. I'm quickly going to add all the buttons like. So here I have entered the buttons, conservation tips, book a consultation, soil treatment guide. Now I'm going to send the message for each of these buttons, and I have to create the message for each of these buttons. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then select my content type. As if I want to send the message, I'm going to select this text plus button, or if I want to upload something like the image, audio, video, or document, I'm going to select my content type as media. So here I'm quickly going to create all the messages for these buttons, and then we will understand this further. So here I have created this chatbot. I have created all the messages for all of these buttons. For the first button, which was of conservation tips. So here I have provided the conservation tips, like here are few soil conservation tips, and then I have provided tips, and then I have asked them, would you like tips for a specific crop or region? And then I have asked them that this is the crop, this is the crop, and if you want to get based on the region, I'm going to send that. So for this maize one, I have drafted the tip, and then I'm going to send a normal message. For the rice, again the same message. And then for this one, based on region, what I have done, I have asked the question in which I have asked them, please share your state or district so we can send tailored tips to you. And then I have selected my contact custom field as the answers, and then the format as any. Now here what I have done, I have asked them the region. They have to enter the region. So I have simply drag and drop this question button. I have entered my question, and then I have selected this contact custom field so that whatever they answer me gets saved in that particular contact custom field. I have selected this as answers, and then I have selected the format. There could be any number or something like that. That's why I've selected this as any. If I was asking for the number or the date, I have selected that format. If I were asking for the full name, I have selected that format. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how we created this question. Now it is important to know that whenever you are asking the question, you have created a contact custom field for that, so that whenever your user answers that particular question, it gets saved in this contact custom field, and then you can use it further. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings, and we have to open this contact custom field. Let's open this. So this is the contact custom fields, and over here you can see all the contact custom fields which I have created. If you want to create a new field, simply click on this add more field, and then you can create a new field. There is no restriction. You can add as many as contact fields as you want. Here I have done for this answers. So what you can do, if you have created any contact custom field, you can select the contact custom field, you can select the format, and then in the message you can send a personalized message. As you can see over here, I have copied this contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then if I paste it over here, this is going to be personalized. So whatever they are going to answer me starts reflecting in that message. So this is how you can use your contact custom field to save the information and create personalized messages. Now as soon as they're going to send me the message, I'm going to send them, thanks for sharing your location. We are now analyzing the soil type, climate condition and common farming practices in your region, and we will be sending you all of this. So this is the message which I have created. So I have created all the messages for this particular button, conservation tips. Next was book a consultation. So in this particular message, I have created the message, and then I have provided this message in which I have sent this message, and I have attached the booking link. I have created this link on Calendly, and I have attached that link. So whenever the user will click on this link, they will be redirected to my booking page. And then for this soil treatment guide, I have created this message, and I have created the message for this clay soil button only. You can extend this flow, you can create as many as buttons and messages in a very similar manner. For this, I have created these buttons in which I have provided the soil, and when they click on this button, I am going to send them the guide if they want. So for this clay soil treatment guide, I am going to provide them with the message, and then I am going to ask them, do you want to get the full guide? If they click on this yes, I am going to send them this document. If they click on no, I am not going to send them anything. So when they click on yes, how I created this message, when they click on this yes, I have drag and drop this circle, and then I have selected my content type as media, and then I've selected my media type as the document. Because I'm going to upload the document, I'm simply going to click on this cloud, and then I'm simply going to select the media which I want to upload. In this very similar manner, you can upload the image, audio, video or file link. You just have to make sure that the file does not exceed the given limit. So here we are done with all the buttons and messages. This is the same exact WhatsApp chatbot which I have created, and I hope this is clear to you now. All the fields, all the options, all the messages and buttons. In the very similar manner, you can extend your chatbot and you can create more buttons and messages using all these features. We just need to make sure that we have activated this flow. If the flow is inactive, the messages won't be sent, and after activating this flow, we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. Here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your soil conservationist business. I hope you liked this video and this video was clear to you. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down this video below. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.